Welcome back with our new dessert, Biscoff with chocolate. It's layers of Biscoff, chocolate and biscuits. I hope you enjoy it. Pour the extra thick cream over the melted chocolate and mix until well combined. On a serving dish, pour half of the amount of the Biscoff melted in the microwave and spread it evenly. Dip the biscuits into the milk and arrange them on the Biscoff. Pour the chocolate mixture, making one full layer of chocolate. Now we arrange the rest of the biscuits on top of the chocolate layer after dipping them in the milk. Spread the rest of the melted Biscoff on top of the biscuits, making it into an even layer. After cooling our dessert in the fridge for 2 hours, sprinkle it with some sprinkles. Our dessert for today is ready. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe below.